Hello students, today we study the chapter number 2, class 10th, science, acid and bases and salts. Acids and bases plays an important role in our lives. Many of our food are acidic. Lemon, oranges contains citric acid, apple contain malic acid. Vinegar is a solution of acetic acid. Baking soda is the basic in nature. Acids are the substances which are sour in taste and change the color of blue litmus to red, whereas bases are bitter in taste and change the color of red litmus paper to blue. When acid and bases react together to form new compound that is called as salt. The reaction between acid and bases to form salt and water is called neutralization reaction. So acid plus base to form salt plus water. For example, if a person is suffering from the problem of acidity due to overeating, it is suggested to take sodium bicarbonate or baking soda because it neutralizes the excess acids. This is because the reaction of acids and bases nullify each other's effect. Learning objectives of this chapter are followings. First one, that is introduction. Test to distinguish between acid and bases, acids and its types, bases and its types, also strength of acids and bases, solution or the pH scale, measurement of the strength of the acidic and the basic solution, importance of pH in our everyday life, salts, family of salts, hydrolysis of salts, preparation of salts, properties of salts, common salt or the sodium chloride, caustic soda or sodium hydroxide, bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride, baking powder that is sodium hydrogen carbonate or the bicarbonate, washing soda as sodium carbonate, water of crystallization, and last topic is here plaster of Paris. Test to distinguish between acid and bases. Many substances which shows different color in different medium like acidic and basic medium are called indicators. Either indicator are classified into first is acid base indicator which shows the different color and olfactory indicator shows the different order. Types of indicator. Indicators can be classified into two types, that is natural indicator, the indicator which obtained from nature like one litmus extraction of lichen which is Thallophytus, turmeric, haldi, red cabbage, lal gobi, Color petals of flower of hydrangea, petunia, geranium. Those are natural indicators. Next one, synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators are also known as man-made indicators which are obtained by synthesis or man-made. Like example, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, thymol blue. Whereas second indicators, those are known as olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators showing different odor or the smell with acidic or basic medium. Like example, onion, vanilla essence and clove oil. Thus one, indicators defined as an indicator is a chemical substance which is used to identify whether a given substance is an acid or base by change in color or their odor. Indicators can be classified into acid-base indicator and olfactory indicators. Either it is classified into two types, that is natural indicator and synthetic indicator. Synthetic indicators are also known as man-made indicators. In natural indicators, like one obtained from nature, like one turmeric, clove oil, litmus, red cabbage leaves, flowers, petals of hydrangea, petunia and geranium. Thus one, the synthetic indicators like one vanilla essence, methyl orange, phenolphthalein, thymol blue. Next one, the universal indicator. Universal indicator is the mixture of several indicators. There is a color which shows that all indicators shows their color wherever lesser in pH above than 7. So acids which pH is less than 7 and bases which pH is greater than 7. Red cabbage which is color is purple, in acidic medium they turn into red or pink, and in basic medium they turn into blue, green or yellow. Red onion water which is violet color turn into acidic red, turn into base, that is green. Like one turmeric yellow in color, acidic medium remains same but basic medium reddish brown. Simply here phenolphthalein which is colorless in acid but pink in base. Phenolphthalein is also used in anti-corruption. Bromothymol blue which is green in color, in acidic medium that convert into yellow and basic medium they turn into blue. Simply here blue litmus solution and red litmus solution. Universal solution, indicator. Next one, universal indicator. A universal indicator is the pH indicator made of the solution of several compounds that exhibits several smooth color changes over a wide range pH value to indicate acidity or alkalinity of the solution. So a mixture of several indicators is known as universal solution, indicator. In universal indicator which pH range is 0 to 14 which indicates the acidity and the alkalinity of the solution. A neutral solution which pH is always 7. So either we study about the acids and bases. Acid are the substances which are sour in taste. Acid word derived from Latin word acidus, which means sour. So properties of acids are, or the characteristics of acids are sour in taste. They turn litmus blue to red. Their pH is lesser than 7, and the substance when dissolved in water yield H plus or the hydrogen ion. It is also called as H3O plus ion. This is hydronium ion as only positive charge ion in the solution according to Arrhenius theory. Whereas bases is the compound which react with acid to form salt and water only. So acid plus base is equal to salt and water. So HCl plus NaOH to give NaCl plus H2. So characteristics of bases are bitter in taste. Their pH is greater than 7. They turn red litmus to blue, and they are soapy in touch. Either acids are no soapy touch. Both acids and bases are corrode in nature. They are injured our skin. In acid examples are methyl orange, that turns orange to red, phenolphthalein that remains colorless. Examples are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Or other examples CH3COH, that is acetic acid, HCOOH, formic acid, COOH whole twice, oxalic acid, malic acid, etc. Either bases turns methyl orange to yellow, phenolphthalein that are colorless to pink. Like example NaOH, sodium hydroxide, KOH, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, MgOH whole twice, magnesium hydroxide, etc. NH4OH also. Salts are ionic compounds formed when the acid reacts with base. So acid plus base to give salt and water. Next, one, bases and alkalis. Base is the compound which react with an acid to form salt and water only. Either the alkalis is a compound which dissolve in water yield hydroxyl ion as only negative charge ion. Like example NaOH, KOH, CaOH whole twice, NH4OH. And alkalis is a base which are soluble in water. All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. This shows that red circle which is A, it is denotes alkalis, and blue circle that denotes B, that is bases. यानी हम कह सकते हैं जितने भी अल्कालीस हैं वो बेस होते हैं, लेकिन जितने भी बेसिस हैं वो अल्कालीस नहीं होते। यानी जो वाटर में डिज़ोल्व हो सकते हैं उन्हें हम अल्कालीस कहते हैं, और जो वाटर में डिज़ोल्व नहीं होते वो ओनली बेसिस ही कहलाते हैं। सो बेसिस विच डिज़ोल्व इन वाटर दैट आर कॉल्ड एज अल्काली। Classification of acids. Acids are classified on the basis of their strength. There are two types: strong acid and weak acids. Acid which undergo the complete dissociation in aqueous solution, producing a high concentration of H plus or H3O ions, any hydrogen ion or the hydronium ion, are called strong acids. Like example, HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, that is hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Weak bases, the acids which undergo the partial dissociation in the aqueous solution, producing a low concentration of H plus ion or the H3O ion, are called weak acids. Like example, H2CO3, H3PO4, CH3COOH, HCOOH, citric acid, tartaric acid, malic acid, etc. Either we called as weak acids are mainly organic acids. Acids further classified into normal acids, or that are also called as further acid classified in organic and inorganic acids. Inorganic acids are also called as mineral acids. Organic acids which are also eatable in form. Next one, the classification of acids on based of the concentration of acids. That are two types. First one, concentrated acids, and second one, dilute acids. Acid which whose acid solution contain high percentage of acids, that is high percentage of acids, that are called concentrated acids. यानी हम कह सकते हैं जिसमें वाटर की क्वांटिटी बहुत लीस्ट हो उसे हम कंसनट्रेटेड एसिड्स कहेंगे. नेक्स्ट वन, डाइल्यूट एसिड्स. डाइल्यूट एसिड्स, द एसिड्स whose acid solution contain the low percentage of acids, that are called dilute acids. यानी जिसके अंदर वाटर के कंटेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स ज़्यादा हो उसे हम डाइल्यूट एसिड्स कहते हैं. Further, the acid present in fruits or vegetables, naturally occurring substances found in plants and animal products, those are called as organic acids. Mineral acids, or that are also called as inorganic acids, acids obtained from minerals. Organic acids, the examples are ascorbic acid, which is present in vitamin C. Citric acid, citrus fruit, oranges and lemons. Lactic acid, sour milk or curd. Uric acid in urine. Formic acid, sting of bees and ants. Butyric acid, that is rancid butter, सड़ा हुआ butter. malic acid which is present in apple, tartric acid, tamarind and grapes, stearic acids which is present in fats, acetic acids which is present in vinegar, tannic acids in tea, चाय के अंदर, oxalic acid tomatoes, benzoic acid food preservatives, hydrochloric acid in our gastric juice. Either the mineral acids are hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, sulfurous acid, carbonic acid, phosphoric acid, etc.